Today, I'll be discussing a topic of utmost importance: how intelligence and wisdom can grant you undeniable power in both your personal and professional life. We'll dive deep into strategic thinking and how you can build an image that commands respect and consideration, an image that makes people regard you with both admiration and a bit of fear. Let's start with emotional intelligence. This form of intelligence is key to controlling any human relationship. When you can read others' emotions and manage your own reactions, you become the person people value but can't easily influence. Emotional intelligence gives you the ability to manage stress, negotiate smartly, and even guide people without them realizing they are being guided. Active listening is a powerful weapon. People naturally gravitate toward those who listen to them and make them feel important. Through effective listening, you gain others' trust and respect with minimal effort. When others speak to you and realize that you truly understand them, without pushing to dominate the conversation, they start relying on you, perceiving you as someone full of wisdom. Nothing weakens your value more than appearing as someone easily angered or impulsive. Wisdom lies in self-control and emotional regulation. A true leader doesn't lose composure easily or let others get under their skin. Staying calm in difficult situations gives you immense power and makes people question their ability to outwit you. This aura of confidence and mental stability makes people think twice before crossing you. Intelligence isn't just about immediate reactions to situations. Truly intelligent people are those who plan for the future. When you make long-term plans and can see things from a unique perspective, it becomes hard for others to predict your moves. Strategic thinking gives you the ability to make smart decisions at the right moment, and it makes people realize that you are not easily fooled or controlled. Words carry weight, and the way you use them can make people reconsider their stance toward you. When you speak, do so with confidence and clarity, ensuring that your words are always well chosen. The confidence you exude when speaking will make you appear as someone who knows what they are doing, earning others' respect even before they fully understand your message. Humility might seem like the opposite of power, but it's actually one of your greatest weapons. Strategic humility is knowing when to show humility and when to hide it. Sometimes, letting people think you're less than what you really are gives you the element of surprise when you come up with ideas no one expected. Conversely, revealing all your strength at once makes you an easy target. Choose wisely when to be humble and when to be powerful. A cornerstone of intelligence is surrounding yourself with smart and creative people. Don't be afraid to be around those who are more talented than you in certain areas. This doesn't diminish your value but instead enhances your image, showing that you are confident in your abilities. A smart leader knows how to leverage the genius of others to improve the team, making you someone who commands both fear and respect. Let's not pretend. Outer appearance plays an important role in shaping how people perceive you, but true strength comes from within. The self-confidence that radiates from the inside is what truly captures people's attention. When you combine outer appearance with inner strength, you become invincible in the eyes of others. Strong people know how to say no smartly. When you can refuse requests that don't serve your goals or interests, it shows that you know your worth and won't be swept along by others' desires. Don't be afraid to say no. It's a tool to build strong boundaries and a clear image in front of everyone. Never stop learning. A true leader is someone who never stops developing themselves. Continuous knowledge is the key to maintaining and enhancing your status. When you remain ahead in your field and keep pursuing learning, people know they are dealing with someone who is constantly evolving, adding to your aura of strength and mystery at the same time. Always remember, the power that makes people respect you and give you attention is not physical strength, but rather the strength of the mind and wisdom. Your intelligent use of these tools will make you someone not to be underestimated in any situation or relationship. In conclusion, remember that intelligence and wisdom are two weapons that can give you unmatched superiority in your personal and professional life. When you combine emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and self-control, You become capable of influencing and leading others without even speaking. The world respects those who know their worth and manage themselves wisely. So never stop developing your abilities and using them smartly, because earning people's respect and trust is a treasure that requires continuous work and patience. Be that person who everyone respects and fears, and start your journey now.